If you're like me, you haven't met a potato that you didn't like. So when I saw this trending video from ThatDudeCanCook, I knew we had to try it. Allow me to introduce you to smashed potatoes. You'll need to start by generously seasoning a pot of boiling water with salt. Next, add your cleaned potatoes with the skins on and leave to simmer for roughly 20 to 25 minutes, or until you can easily pierce through the largest potato with a knife or fork. Strain your potatoes and add them to a large bowl, then drizzle with a generous glug of olive oil. Season with rosemary salt. To learn how to make rosemary salt, click the link in the description below, and freshly cracked black pepper. Give the potatoes a quick toss to coat them in the seasoning, then transfer to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and drizzled with olive oil. Next, smash each potato using a potato masher or pretty much any round, flat tool. Once they're all smashed, bake on the bottom rack of a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Give the potatoes a flip and add about 3 tablespoons of butter cut into cubes, plus about 5 cloves of smashed garlic. Return the tray to the oven for another 20 minutes until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy. Let me tell you, these are definitely worth trying. Subscribe to Dished for more viral recipes.